everyone, this is me Aar Aarohi and today is 18th May, my birthday, and I have got many gifts. I'm going to show you each gift one by one. This is Ikigai storybook. It's a Japanese story written in English. This is a collection of 5 different books. It consists The Little Prince, Peter Pan, The Secret Garden, The Wizard of Oz, and The Little Princess. This is a very special gift. So it is sort of a box which has this as a top, and when I open it inside there are many photos and I'll show you each of it. So this is the main photo, and if I open it, so there's one more photo here, and then there's one more photo when we open it like this. Wow, and it's like this. So my photo with Kakubu, and this is me. And now here, this is my childhood picture, and this is your special day, my picture and my picture with Papa. Let's celebrate, and one more picture, and this is a cake. It's a pop-up sort of. Now this is a picture with my friends. And this is having my 2 more pictures. This is a picture of my first birthday, and this is a family picture graph, and this is my picture. Now let's open this one also. So this is my photograph in a garden, and when you open it like this is my photo with Shaurya, and we are having a lot of fun. And this is sort of a pop-up, and there are 4 different photographs. So this is amazing. Literally, it's amazing. You can open and close it like this. Now this is a beautiful dress gifted by my mama and papa. And now these are doodling matron pens. So they are used for doodling, and they are like very good pens. Now this is a sort of a planner, and it's written, "My sister is so amazing. God made her an angel." And here is the planner. And this is a trophy, and it's written, "World's Best Daughter." And this is one more. See? So it's written, "Awesome." And this is a wooden brain vita, and the marbles are inside this. And these are premium poster colors, Cameron 20 set poster colors. And this is a very beautiful card made by Shaurya. You can see it's woolly painting, and inside it he has written, "Dear Aarohi Didi, happy birthday to my sweet, loving, caring, intelligent, helpful, strong, charming, optimistic, cute sister from Shaurya." And this is a hydraulic crane, a Smartivity gift, and I'm going to make it tomorrow. And these were all, and this is some amount gifted by my Nanu. And these are all the gifts. I love them. Thank you. Bye.